You searching for a flexible, high-margin business you can start with low overhead? In 2025, becoming a private mortgage note broker could be your golden ticket. This niche market is growing thanks to changing real estate trends and an aging population. But is it right for you? In this video, we'll break down the opportunities, challenges, and what it really takes to succeed as a mortgage note broker. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time venture, understanding this business could open new doors for your financial future. Let's dive in and see if this path matches your goals and skills. One of the biggest reasons to consider note brokering in 2025 is the surge in aging mortgage notes. As interest rates remain higher than in previous decades, more sellers, especially those handling their own sales, are turning to seller financing. This trend is creating a larger pool of private mortgage notes in the market. For brokers, this means more opportunities to connect note holders with eager investors. If you can spot these deals and build relationships, you'll be well positioned to profit from this growing segment. Another major driver is the wave of baby boomers reaching retirement. Many older note holders are looking to convert their long-term payment streams into lump sums for retirement or estate planning. As a broker, you can help these individuals access their cash quickly by connecting them with investors. This not only solves a real need for retirees but also creates a steady stream of business for you. The demographic shift is real, and it's fueling demand for note brokering services. One of the most attractive features of this business is its low barrier to entry in terms of startup costs. You don't need to rent office space, buy inventory, or invest in expensive equipment. Most of your work can be done remotely using just a computer and a phone. The real investment is in your knowledge and your network. If you're looking for a business that won't break the bank to get started, note brokering is worth a closer look. Let's talk about earnings. Mortgage note brokers typically earn between 3% and 10% of the note's purchase price. For partial deals, the commission can be even higher. Just one successful transaction can bring in anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 or more. If you're able to close multiple deals each month, the income potential is significant. This is a business where your effort and expertise can translate directly into high reward. Like crowded fields such as real estate wholesaling or e-commerce, mortgage note brokering is still a relatively unsaturated market. The barriers to entry are higher, mainly because it requires specialized knowledge and relationship-building skills. But if you're willing to learn and put in the work, you can quickly become a go-to expert in your area. This means less competition and more opportunities for those who are prepared. However, success in this field isn't automatic. You'll need to invest time in learning about note valuation, risk assessment, underwriting, and the legal basics of the business. Building trust with both sellers and investors is crucial. The more you know, the more confident you'll be when negotiating deals and answering questions. Education is your foundation. Don't skip this step if you want to thrive. In a business built on large financial transactions, trust is everything. Sellers need to feel confident that you'll connect them with reliable buyers, while investors want assurance that the notes are solid. Building a reputation for honesty and transparency will set you apart. This takes time and consistent effort, but it's the key to long-term success. Remember, your word is your bond in this industry. Finding note holders willing to sell is the lifeblood of your business. Many brokers struggle because they don't master marketing, networking, or cold outreach. You'll need to develop strategies to consistently generate leads, whether through online advertising, direct mail, or building referral networks. The more leads you have, the more deals you can close. Make lead generation a top priority from day one. Depending on where you live, you may need specific licenses to operate as a mortgage note broker. This could include a mortgage broker license or NMLS registration, especially if you're brokering notes regularly. Regulations vary by state, so it's important to research your local requirements before getting started. Staying compliant protects your business and builds trust with clients. While the profit margins can be high, the volume of deals in this market isn't massive. That means you may need to combine note brokering with another service, like real estate investing or consulting, to scale your business. Understanding the market's limitations helps you set realistic expectations and plan for sustainable growth. Diversifying your services can also help you weather slow periods. To succeed as a mortgage note broker, you must be willing to keep learning. The market, regulations, and best practices are always evolving. Stay updated by joining industry groups, attending webinars, and reading relevant publications. Adaptation is key. Those who keep their skills sharp will stay ahead of the competition and spot new opportunities as they arise. One of the perks of this business is the flexibility it offers. You can work from home, set your own hours, and scale your workload up or down as needed. This makes it an excellent choice for those seeking work-life balance or a side income. If you value independence and control over your schedule, mortgage note brokering could be a perfect fit. If you're interested in real estate and finance but don't want to buy property directly, this business could be ideal. It's best suited for those who are willing to learn the financial and legal details, can generate leads consistently, and want a flexible, high-margin business. If you enjoy networking, problem-solving, and helping people achieve their financial goals, mortgage note brokering is worth exploring. Wrap up: starting a private mortgage note broker business in 2025 offers real potential for those willing to put in the work. The market is growing, commissions are attractive, and the startup costs are low. But success requires education, trust building, and consistent lead generation. If you're ready to learn, network, and help others achieve their financial goals, this could be the opportunity you've been looking for. Take the next step, start researching, connect with industry professionals, and see if this path is right for you.